What's up, YouTube? Just got back from a little hike, about 5 miles, and I decided to film part of it. I used to do a lot of hiking, and somehow I just started having knee pain, and I let it get the best of me for a little bit. But this past week, I've been hitting the trails and starting to feel pretty good. So back at it. Need to get that exercise, right? All right, I hope you enjoy the views because this is a very beautiful trail. It's perfect this time of year. Today was 70 degrees. The weather was just absolutely stellar. All right, guys, enjoy. What is it about being out in nature that's just so calming? I'm not a calm person. I'm actually very high strung, and some might say angry. I definitely don't come off as relaxed as I sound in my videos. I mean, obviously, I have time to edit, and so you're not getting the full me. Full me is kind of short fused, high strung. I mean, my job life is stressful, so I try to escape as often as I can. And one of my great escapes that I haven't used in quite a long time is hiking. And gosh, I want to say it's been, I've hiked here and there, but not like I was. And today just kind of felt right. My knees didn't bother me that bad. I felt like they were coming back. I almost feel like maybe I might not sell the KTM. I don't know. It's just an awesome day. It's been a long time. I guess one of the things I don't like about hiking is you rarely get the trail to yourself, and it let's be honest, a lot of people do it solely for exercise. I do it for both. The exercise is kind of a side benefit of hiking for me. It's not the main goal at all. My goal is just to be out in nature and quiet. And even the biggest through trails, they've just become crowded. Just like off-roading, you can still escape on a motorcycle, and you can still escape hiking. You just have to go places people don't want to go, and that's usually the desert. And it's usually the desert in a more uncomfortable time of year. And I'm fortunate because as long as the humidity's not ridiculous, I survive in the desert. I survive well. I know how to hydrate. I know how to balance my salt intake, because that's important. It's not just water. It's your salt intake. Salt is important. You go a little too low on salt, your electrolyte levels get off, and you're going to have problems. You're going to have a bad day. All right, guys. So coming up, you're going to see me kick over some rock cairns. Cairns have their place. And their place is typically marking a trail. These are not doing anything but taking away from the natural beauty of the area. They're no different than graffiti. I mean, of course, they're temporary, but the problem is one person builds a rock stack, the next person builds a rock stack, and pretty soon you've got rock stacks everywhere. And sure, they're beautiful. Hell, I think graffiti on a subway is beautiful. But the purpose of a cairn is a trail marker. Now, there's going to be butthurt from that. There's going to be people upset that I kicked over those rocks. There's going to be those people. And you know what? I don't care. Go out to Death Valley. You'll see the ranger kicking over those things. They have their place. A place in your backyard. You want to do that? Fine. You want to do that while you're having lunch? Awesome. Unstack them. Put them back where you found them. This is what I moved here for 24 some odd years ago. I'm thinking it was around 24 years ago. This right here, this has not changed. It's still every bit as beautiful as it was the first time I set eyes on it. It's growing. We're having definite growing pains here, but I guess at the end of the day, I'm still pretty happy with where I live. I mean, there's a lot worse places. And boy, this is the beginning of February and look at the weather. Huh? Absolutely amazing. Now next week it's gonna snow. Yeah. Winter's a little bipolar here. It has its little swings, but today was an absolutely perfect day. Here's a little fun fact. Some of my favorite things on the trail are dead trees like this. I just think they photograph so well. They're just something about them. And as always, guys, I absolutely appreciate each and every one of your views. And hey, if you're not already subscribed, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me a like. Give this video a like. And why don't you go ahead and ring that bell? Give us a follow. Because you never know where I'm going to end up. Look at this. We're hiking today. Tomorrow we might be four-wheeling. Next day we might be out on a dirt bike somewhere camping. Just never know. All you know is there will be videos of me escaping reality.